Microsoft Office, the online only version, is free. Well, let's look at how to set it up and how to move the documents from your Windows computer on to the online version of Microsoft Office. So first we got to sign up. I'm going to go ahead and go to office.com. Now it gives me some choices. I could sign in, I could pay for the offline version of Office, but I want to sign in for the free version of Office. So that's what I'm going to click. It wants me to create an account. Well, I'm going to use my Gmail account. In this case, I've set up a fake Gmail account because my other one is already signed up for Office. So, tobylessons@gmail.com. It wants me to create a password. I'll go ahead and do that. And I got to put in my birthday. I can tell you my real birthday. I'm going to say April 1. Let's say 1977. Now it's going to send me an email. Okay. Oh, here Google wants to save my password on my Google Chrome browser, which I'm using. In my, by the way, Windows VM, this is all Windows. It's in a virtual machine. Like I've told you before, it's a computer within a computer, because my whole computer is over here and you can see it's Mac, but inside there I've got Windows. Look at my start button. Okay, so it sent a code to my Gmail address. So I'm going to go back to my Gmail. Okay. Here it is, Microsoft account stuff. Verify my email address. Click on that. And right here, use this security code 9009. So I go back to my enter code as I'm trying up for Microsoft Office Online for free. 9009. Look at this. What is this? They're going to send you emails that you may or may not want. Do you want information, tips, offers about Microsoft products and services? Really, I don't, because mostly this is going to be junk mail. So I'm going to get rid of that. Next. It's going to think for a bit. Please solve the puzzle so you're not a robot, because a lot of these, what's called Captcha options, where you have to enter some numbers and letters or click a button or do something like this, is to make sure that it's not somebody who's set up a program to automatically create a dozen accounts. So please solve the puzzle. I'm going to go ahead and do next. Tap on arrows to rotate the image. There we go. Now it's a squirrel. I don't think you could program a program that does that. They want my first name, Toby, last name, Richards. Next. And now it, of course, wants to sell me the premium version, which I would have to pay for. I don't want that right now. I'm just going to go Office for the web. So I'll go ahead and close this. And it's going to give me some more weird options that I don't really care about. Got it. Now look, I'm in my Office. I've got all my Office programs available to me. So what I need to do next, let's say I'm going to use a Chromebook, or even if I'm not going to use a Chromebook, I'm just going to start using Office Online instead of whatever I'm using, and stop paying for it. Either which way, it's the same thing. I've got Google Chrome open here, and that's basically, I don't need to open a virtual machine to show you what Google Chrome is, because Google Chrome OS is basically Google Chrome browser. It's got a couple extra things, but basically that's all it is. It's got a Google Chrome browser. So let's go ahead and minimize this for now, and let's go to my documents. I know where my documents are. I'm sure you know where your documents are, but right here, documents, and right here, documents. So let's just go into my documents. I've got 3 documents here. Now, how am I going to get them into my Microsoft Office Online? That's key, right? You need to have your documents still if you're going to switch to Microsoft Office Online. I'm going to go back to Microsoft Office Online, and so I'm going to go and click Upload. Okay, this is the traditional way to do it. So I click Upload. I go to my documents, and I'm going to upload my sample doc file for testing. There it goes. It's going to upload it. Doesn't take too long. And now here it is in my online version of Microsoft Word. Okay. By the way, this is just a bunch of Latin that is, if you try to translate it, it would be nonsense. So let's go back to my main Office page, right? I don't want to be in Word anymore, so I'm going to click these little dots over here, and then I'm going to click on the Office with the arrow. Okay, Office. Here I am back in Office, and look, sample file docx for testing is right there. Let's do an easier way to do this. I'm going to make this a smaller window. Okay, I'm going to put it next to my Windows Explorer showing all my files, and now I want to upload another document. This time I'm going to go ahead and upload my Excel document. Well, what's the easier way to do it? Well, I click it and I drag it over here. Same thing happens. All I had to do was drag it from here to here. It's going to open it in Excel. Here's my Excel document. Again, I'm going to click here, go back to Office, and look, my Excel document is there. So it's really super easy to upload your documents that you have on your hard drive to the Office Online, which will store it for you. And then, now, guess what? I don't need regular Office anymore. All I need, I'm going to open this all the way, is my browser. And remember, this browser, I'm not going to open a Google Chrome virtual machine, because a Google Chrome virtual machine is exactly the same thing. I'm running Google Chrome browser, and Google Chrome operating system runs as on a Chromebook, runs Google Chrome, so it's going to be exactly the same. By the way, notice this. It wants you to install Office or buy Office. Each of these options are for the offline version, which is going to cost you money. So I'm going to ignore those things. But now, like I said, I've got these Office documents on here. I've converted them or uploaded them from my computer to my Office Online account. and it's all been done for free. I've showed you how to create the account, and I've showed you how to upload the documents. And of course, using the documents is 99% the same as using these documents in the actual traditional offline version of Office. So there you go. This is not only how to just use Office Online, this is also a tutorial on how to convert from Windows to a Chromebook. Like I said before, a Windows computer costs at least $300 for like a terrible one, all the way up to, I've seen Windows computers that are made for gaming that go up to $4,000. Typically, if you're doing work and you're going to buy a Windows computer, you're going to spend about $500. I've shown you a Chromebook in a previous video that only costs $70, $85 after tax. Okay, that's a great deal. And so you could get a Chromebook and do these exact same things in your Chrome browser with your Office Online after you use your regular standard Windows computer to just upload all the documents into your Office Online. And now you're working just like you were before. And now you've spent only $70 on your new computer. Look, guys, remember, I want you to click the like button. I want you to comment. I want you to click that bell. Clicking the bell means that you will get a notification every time I upload a new video. But most importantly, tell your friends. If you have friends, colleagues, family that would like to or could benefit from watching videos about how to use the basic functions of a computer and how to do stuff like moving from regular Office to Microsoft Office Online. Regular Office you got to pay for, online is free. Go ahead and let them know. The more people that subscribe to my channel, such as your friends, family, and colleagues, the more easy it is for me to continue to make these videos. All right, you guys. Toby out.